Use Samsung LM301 diodes and mean well driver. Full spectrum light ideal for all stages of growth. Adjustable light intensity with a dimmer switch. Protective waterproof coating on the LED helps extend the lifespan. No fan, zero noise. It only consumes 200 watts, running 50% less power than the HPS or Blurple lamps. This light delivers a powerful light output and uniform canopy penetration to resulting maximum higher yields. SF-2000 DLC, UL, CE, ETL certificated. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Durable and sturdy grow tent. 100% reflective mylar interior maximizes the efforts of grow lights. Heavy-duty 1680D Oxford cloth exterior adds the durability. Reliable SBS zipper shut and open smoothly. Double stitching for strength and light protection. Well constructed with strong and sturdy steel frame. Plenty of openings for fans, vents, electrical cords. Removable viewing mesh screen for viewing and removing humidity. Waterproof tray prevent water leakage on the floor and keep tent stay clean. Number 2. Effective ventilation system. Quiet and powerful 4 inches inline fan and RC412 Australian charcoal carbon filter and flex aluminum ducting combo. Very easy to install and use. Gives strong airflow and proper air circulation, eliminates all unwanted odors. You won't smell anything but fresh air. Great for humidity control as well. Number 3. Money and energy saving complete grow tent kit. Compare the cost of individual items and the cost of our indoor grow complete kit. Our kit saves dollars and a lot of time versus buying each item separately. Designed to user-friendly. Comes with easy to follow installation instructions. Easy to assemble and very simple to operate, even for beginner growers. All parts are compatible and properly matched. Everything comes in one box with discreet packaging. Number 4. Worry-free purchase and ultimate maintenance. Buying a high-quality grow kit means that you'll get more value for a longer period of time. LED grow lamp offers a 3-year after service with a local maintenance center in the USA. Other accessories offer great guarantee. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Everything else you need to get started is included in this grow tent kit? Answer. Yes, the kit contents grow light, grow tent, ventilation system, and other helpful accessories. All you need to get started are plants and soil. Question number 2. Is there a complete package that comes with a 6 inches filtration system instead of a 4? Answer. The SF-2000 Grow Tent Kit only equipped a 4-inch filtration system. It's great for a 2x4 tent. Question number 3. Would the lights be bright enough for me to effectively run a CO2 tank into the tent? Or would it be overkill? Answer. The SF-2000 Grow Light is very high efficient. It uses top-of-the-line Samsung diodes and means well driver. UML 2.7. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.